learn how to ride a horse for beginners. Greetings, fellow enthusiasts. Horse riding is a skill we all long to learn. It's adventurous, exciting, and extremely interesting to do. It aids in developing your core strength and endurance. Today, we're going to talk you through a few basic steps that you can practice to learn horse riding immediately. Firstly, let's talk about the most important thing, your safety and protection. You should never ride your horse without a riding helmet on that properly fits your head. Your dressing plays a vital role in keeping you safe and protected while you're riding. Always wear proper boots that protect your feet from injuries. Put long pants on to protect your legs from saddle sores, brush, and sun. Wear a leather belt. Always go for a button-down long sleeve shirt for your protection from the elements. Getting on the horse. Always ask someone to hold your horse as you get on top. Always check your girth. If it's not snug enough, the saddle can roll when you try to get on. Hold the ends of the reins in your left hand, just in front of the saddle, but keep them loose. Reins are what you use to steer your horse, so you'll want to have them ready. Put your left foot in the stirrup, making sure the ball of your foot is on the stirrup. Put your weight on your left foot and step up to a standing position. Your right leg should be hanging next to your left. Swing your right leg up and over the horse's rump, being careful not to accidentally kick them on the way. Sit down in the saddle as gently as possible. Adjust your stirrup to the proper length, or have your trainer do it for you. Put your right foot in the other stirrup. Remember to center the ball of your foot on the stirrup, not your toe or heel. How to start riding. Now that you're all geared up and ready to go, let's talk about how to move your horse. It's essential that you start with walking your horse until you're comfortable without caring about the speed. Make sure you have both of your feet placed comfortably in the stirrups. Hold the reins in your hands properly. Sit properly and stay relaxed on the saddle. Keep the reins slightly loose. You don't want to pull back on your horse's mouth as you ask them to move forward. Give your horse a gentle squeeze with your lower legs to signal he should begin walking. If you have a very quiet or lazy horse, you may need to give them a couple of soft bumps with your heels. Sit up tall, hold your head up straight, and look between your horse's ears. Try not to squeeze repeatedly with your legs once the horse is walking. Keep your legs long, quiet, and weight firmly down in your heels. Steer your horse with your reins and legs. How to stop your horse. Once you're done enjoying your ride, let's talk about how to bring your horse to a halt. You should always sit back in the saddle slightly. Start with slowly pulling back on the reins to put slight pressure on the bit in the horse's mouth. Do not jerk the reins quickly. Use a verbal cue like "whoa" while you're coming to a halt to direct your horse to stop. Once your horse stops, slowly release the pressure on the reins. Remember, horse riding is a sport that takes practice. You should stay persistent and dedicated throughout your practice sessions to excel at the craft of horse riding. Be confident and keep grinding. Share with us your experiences in the comments section down below. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.